Meaning of interventionist.
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 Interventionist. The term interventionist refers to a person or policy that advocates for or engages in direct intervention, often by a government or other external entity, to influence or control a situation. This can refer to a range of actions, from economic interventions such as subsidies or bailouts, to military interventions such as invasions or airstrikes, to social interventions such as targeted public health campaigns or welfare programs. The precise meaning and implications of the term may depend on the context in which it is used, and it can be a subject of debate and controversy in politics, economics, and other fields.